A little update that ProTrader has just rolled out is the relative strength rating is now found on the top of every chart right here where I'm circling. Now when you are scrolling through either your watch lists, it just keeps coming up, or any scan that you do, it just keeps coming up. So you don't really need to get your indicator out for every chart. You can if you'd like. If you want to see the line, you can easily get it out and put it on. But if you'd prefer, you can just simply look here and the relative strength number is found there. That number comes up where it doesn't matter if you're looking at daily, weekly, or monthly charts. Any time frame, it'll come up. It's a cool little addition. Take care. Any questions, support@protrader.com.au, or just jump in our trading room and ask away in there. Cheers.